Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Is your computer too much slow? Don't know how to fix it? No worries, this video is for you. In this video we will show you how to fix a slow computer. First of all, you have to click on Windows icon in the left bottom. Then click on settings. Well, here you can find different options. You have to find privacy option. You can see it in the third row. Click on it. Now scroll down and click on background apps. Well, now you can see that background data of all these apps is on. You have to off the background data of all these apps. So go on the top of this page and off the background data of these apps. Now you can see that background data of all these apps is off. It will help you to fix slow computer and can boost its speed. Like and share this video if it works well for you. Also subscribe our Let Me Guide channel to get more problem solving videos. Thank you.